Okay, let's get right to it. What's the one thing that separates a game-changing hire from just another missed connection? It's a fundamental shift in how we do outreach. And honestly, it can be the difference between landing that perfect person and losing them before you even get a chance to say hello. I mean, seriously, think about it. What if you find that absolute unicorn candidate, the perfect fit for a tough role, but they never ever speak to you? And not because they aren't interested, but because your very first move just completely turned them off. This brings us to a huge problem, one we've all felt: the saga of the perfect but totally unreachable candidate. You know the drill. You put in the hours, you do the research, you find the one. You're excited, you grab the phone, you dial, and bam, straight to voicemail. In that single moment, all that effort just evaporates. So why does this keep happening? Well, to understand the fix, we first have to get real about why the old way is so broken. Let's just call it what it is: the crime of interruption. The disconnect here is massive. From your side, you're offering an amazing opportunity. But to them, to that busy candidate, your unexpected call is just another unwanted interruption in a day that's already packed. And this is the part that really stings. An unexpected call isn't just neutral or ineffective. It's actually damaging. It sends a really loud, really clear signal: I don't respect your time. And that first impression? It's almost impossible to come back from. Okay, so enough with the problem. Let's talk about the solution. It's all about shifting our mindset away from interrupting people and instead earning their attention. This is the art of permission. So, what is a pre-call message? It's simple, really. It's a short, respectful, and super personalized note that you send before you even think about dialing. Its whole purpose is to earn a candidate's trust, not demand their attention. And a tool like Calibre, that's Calibre, by the way, makes this incredibly easy. You just upload a candidate's profile, pop in a few key details, and its AI generates an authentic, personalized message in seconds. It's that fast. But here's the real question: does it actually work? How does this little change shift your outreach from a game of pure luck to a repeatable winning strategy? The numbers here are just staggering. We're talking about response rates that are 3 to 4 times higher than your typical cold outreach. That's not a small tweak, that's a complete game changer. Just look at this. It's not even a fair fight. The success rate of cold calls is absolutely dwarfed by pre-call messages. You're no longer playing a game of chance. You're playing a game of strategy. And that smarter approach creates this incredible ripple effect. All of a sudden, you're wasting way less time on dead ends. Your number stops getting blocked. The conversations you do have are warmer and faster, and you know what that means: quicker replacements. So I'll just leave you with this. At the end of the day, success in recruiting isn't just about playing a numbers game. It's about making your numbers actually count. So the real question is, which game are you going to play?